Oh, it's going. So then here we are. It's a warrior event because we brought a table. We're at the Amish store in Balderson. So for our American friends, that's up north in Ontario. Dave, how far did you drive to get here?
An hour.
An hour? We just drove
an hour for one of his adjustments.
I drove 40 minutes because Dave's got a sore neck and so do I. We're both on holidays. We thought, well, we'll meet halfway-ish and we'll take care of each other. So this is what we're doing today, and we recommend if you're in trouble, call another warrior. Hey,
Warrior Brothers, eh?
Attaboy.
Hey.
Hey, thanks. All right, let's take care of it. That's awesome. No, you're good now.